How to fix Snapchat camera full screen. Hello guys, first thing you have to do, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now you have to wait a few seconds. Scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat like this and then click on force stop. Go down to the storage, click on clear data, click on delete, go back again, click on the power usage details, and now what you want to do is click down here on this force stop, and the last thing you want to do is click on the permissions. Make sure that the camera permission is enabled. Don't forget to like, subscribe.